Good morning kids. Welcome to the English class. In this class today I am going to teach you small cursive letter E. Further, first we will revise. This is capital letter E and this one is small letter E and this is small cursive letter E. Those don't who have that small cursive letter book, write in this English notebook. E for egg, E for 8. So now I will tell you from the book how to write small cursive letter E. Kids, you can see here, this is small cursive letter E. First you have to trace here on this letter. 3 steps are here. Step 1, start from 1, slanting, go upside, turn, make a loop here and come down little bit, curving like this. So start from this basic line, watch carefully, go slanting up to the upper middle line, turn and here make a loop, come down to the basic line like this. E for egg. So you do the practice of this E letter, first trace on these letters and you complete these both pages. And now here this is the picture of E for egg and in the page number 25 here write the letter E and complete the word. You know which animal is this? Yes, it's an elephant. So here you have to write E letter, start from this line, go slanting up, turn, make a loop here, come down and curve it upside. E for elephant. And next here, color the picture starting from the letter E. Here are different pictures. Leg, hand, 8. And the starting letter E, 8. So you have to color these both hands. And now in this copy, same, start from this basic line, go slanting up, make a loop here and come down, curve it upside like this. You write in your copy like this, do the practice of this letter E and after that in the downside in 2 lines you do the practice of A to E letters. A, B, C, D, E. Again 2 times practice you do B, C, D and E. After completing this work send pics to your respective class teacher. Now we will revise again all the E sound words from your Fun with English book, kids. Read the words, identify the words. Elephant, and the elephant is doing exercise. E for exercise. Engine, eggs, envelope. So these are all the words related to E letter. You all read the words from the book